Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I received some new hair. It's from ISHOWHAIR. They sent it really pretty boxed and packaged, and they sent a net for your sew-in, some eyelashes, and they packaged it really well. It has like their logo, stickers. They have like care instructions on the back. They had it sealed up really tight, so it's hard to get in it, so nobody else will be able to just get in your box. So yeah, I'm just opening up the box right there. So anyway, I'm just gonna do a quick review on this hair, and also I'm gonna put some pictures of how the hair turned out at the end. So yeah, they sent me a frontal, and this is a transparent lace frontal, and it's in body wave, and it's 20 inches. And they also sent me 3 bundles of body wave, 20 inch, 22 inch, and 24 inch. And the hair is really soft, the hair is really bouncy, and it smelled good. I didn't have any problem with it. And once I shampooed that bleach off of the frontal, the body wave actually came back into the frontal, so I was pleasantly surprised with that. So yeah, I'm just going in here and I'm just bleaching the knots on the frontal. I just made kind of like a thick concoction, and I'm just kind of lightly spreading it across the lace so that I can bleach the knots. And I'm just using the end of a one of those comb razors, and I just mix my stuff up in the bowl, and I'm just putting it on there. And y'all probably seen this done a million times, so yeah, you can refer back to one of the other videos if you want a detailed tutorial on that. So yeah, I'm just putting the frontal on, and like I said, this frontal is 20 inch body wave, and it is transparent. It laid so well. Y'all gonna have to come back and see part 2 of this video. There is gonna be a part 2, so I need y'all to come back and watch. So yeah, on part 2 of the video, I'll show how I laid the lace and all that. But here I'm just talking about the hair, and I'm gonna make like a quick weave wig. So yeah, this wig right here is really simple. You still need to sew your frontal down. I'm sure you can glue it if you want to, but I'm using a needle and thread to sew mine down to the stocking cap. And also I have a plastic shower cap under this stocking cap, because I'm gonna glue the hair down to the stocking cap, so I don't want it to seep through. Even though my mannequin head is already tore up from the floor up, but I still don't want the glue to seep through, so I have that shower cap on there. So anyway, I'm just starting in the middle and sewing down, and I did that on both sides. And then here I just braided the hair down once I got through sewing everything to get it out of the way. So yeah, you just want it to look something like that. And here's the bundles. Like I said, the bundles are really nice, full, thick. They smell good. They had a lot of bounce and sheen to them. So here I'm just laying the track. So I'm just measuring out, putting some 30-second bonding glue on the tracks, and I'm just gonna lay them kind of in a slight horseshoe shape, or just like a U shape or something. You can lay them straight across if you want to, but I just do mine this way. And then once I get closer to the top, it'll start going more straight across. But yeah, you just want to keep laying your tracks in a U shape, and you'll see that I'm still doing that here, just using my 30-second glue. And with this, when you're gluing and you got that plastic cap under there, you're going to have to hurry up and get the blow dryer and blow dry as soon as you lay it down, because if you don't, that hair is going to slide right off of that cap. So yeah, I'm almost done making the wig. It's really easy to do. Probably took me like 30 minutes or less to make this wig, because I don't know, I'm experienced, but it probably won't take you that long to make it either. So this is a really quick, easy, and this wig will last a long time if you do it correctly. So yeah, you just want to keep on gluing until you run out of space. You don't want to see any stocking cap left over, and you just want to go right up into the edge of the frontal and lay your tracks down. This wig will last you guys a long time if you do it this way. You just have to let the glue cure. So either you can put it under the dryer or let it sit like a few hours and let the glue completely dry before you start trying to manipulate it or anything. And just go over it with your blow dryer once you finish putting that last track on, just to make sure it's in really good. And then just allow it time to sit so that the glue can cure and it'll be long lasting for you. So anyway, I'm just taking the T-pins out so that I can remove the stocking cap and that plastic cap that's under there. And then I'm just gonna put it back on. Oh, I'm gonna cut the excess stocking cap off and then put it back on and just let it sit on there. Take the braids down and just pull it back in a clip. Okay, yeah, so I'm just applying the wig back to the mannequin head. I'm gonna let it sit. I let mine sit overnight. You can let it sit a few hours or put it under a hair dryer for about 30 minutes or so, just to let the glue cure really good. And then you're able to install it and style it. So yeah, ISHOWHAIR sent me this hair. They sent me a 20-inch body wave frontal and 3 bundles, 20-inch, 22-inch, and 24-inch body wave bundles. And I believe they have a coupon code. I have it listed below, and also the links to this hair. If you want some really good affordable hair, this is the hair for you. So yeah, just make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on all of my social media. This is Peyton Channing. She's here on YouTube, and she'll be in the second part of the video.